Hey folks, today I'm diving into something super important: how to spot and avoid rogue software phishing scams. These sneaky traps have become increasingly sophisticated, but don't worry, I've got some tips to keep you safe. First up, let's talk about what rogue software phishing is. Essentially, scammers trick you into downloading malicious software by disguising it as something legit. You might get an email or see a pop-up that looks like it's from a trusted company, but it's actually a scam. So, how can you spot these scams? Number 1. Always scrutinize the sender's email address. If it looks sketchy or has weird characters, it's probably fake. Number 2. Check for typos and grammatical errors. Legit companies usually proofread their stuff. Number 3. Be wary of urgent language. Scammers often try to create a sense of panic to get you to act quickly without thinking. Next, hover over any links before clicking. If the URL looks odd or doesn't match the company's website, steer clear. And always download software directly from the official website or a trusted app store. Now, what if you accidentally download rogue software? Don't worry, it happens. Immediately disconnect from the internet to prevent any further damage. Then run a full system scan with your antivirus software. If the software can't remove the threat, consider taking your device to a professional. Speaking of antivirus, always keep it up to date. Scammers are constantly coming up with new tactics, and you want to be protected against the latest threats. Also, make sure your operating system and other software are regularly updated. These updates often include security patches that can protect you from phishing scams. Passwords are another crucial line of defense. Use strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts, and consider using a password manager to keep track of them. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security, so enable it wherever possible. Lastly, be cautious about sharing personal information online. Scammers can use details like your email, phone number, and even social media profiles to target you. If something feels off, trust your gut and double-check before proceeding. Alright folks, that's it for today. Remember, staying vigilant and informed is your best defense against rogue software phishing scams. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Stay safe out there. See more conversations on www.secureyourcircle.com.